Howdy guys, this is Mr. Banks with yet another video on harnessing the limitless possibilities online to make legitimate passive income or to simply know how to get things done easily online. In this video, I'll show you how to make at least 5,000 Naira daily from social trading. So if this is the type of video you love, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you would get notifications of new videos. Lastly, please like this video so more people can see it and be empowered with this information. Let's go into it. Hello guys, welcome back. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 5,000 Naira daily using social trading. For those who don't know, social trading is actually a mobile application that enables you to copy other professional traders trades. All right, so it means that there are people who are constantly making profit in forex trading, so their strategies are what you're going to be copying. So if they are taking any trade, you're taking that same trade with them. All right, so that's social trading. So you put in a particular amount of money and you watch your money grow in profit as they're making profit. All right, so as you can see below, the boat app right here is the social trading app. So I'm going to just type it and show you what it looks like. All right, so this is it. So first of all, you need to download the app. The link is in the description box below. Register with the app and then you fund your wallet with the amount of money you want to start trading, maybe like $50, $100. It all depends. So once you are registered, you fund your account and then come here to look for the most copied traders. You can actually see them. A lot of them are here. This is actually the number one. This amphibious robots, is the number one most copied trader. Now this other guy is number two, then number three. Right, so look at the number four. This is the guy that I've been copying his trades for some time and I've been making some good amount of money. That's a forex trade. All right, so at the moment you cannot copy him. You can see that the strategy is unavailable to start copying due to equity limit restrictions. What it means is that he has reached his I think $200,000 investment is the limit for any copy trader. All right, so it means that people have invested so much. You can actually even see the numbers of investors. 329 people are currently investing with him, meaning that 329 people have put money into copying his trades. All right, so he has gotten to that limit in terms of the amount of money. I think 200,000. Let's look at the details. You can click here to look at. So why you start copying unavailable? This occurs when total equity exceeds $200. So total number of money that people have put on his copy trading is has exceeded 200,000 US dollars. But he has another, so this is actually, he has another account similar to this where you can copy, because now it's just growing it. So what you need to look at is the risk score of this copy trader. The risk score, the commission is taking 30% commission, and then you can come here, look at the statistics. He's been constantly growing. You can see how the trajectory is. He's just upward. He's not really coming down so much, but then upward, meaning that he's growing. So you can look at his equity. He's using 3,300 to trade currently. He has made up to 3,300 to trade currently. I know this guy when he started. I mean, you can even look at how much he started with. See, he started with $1 to 200. This is how it 8th of November, 10th of October, 500, and he grew the account all the way. He started growing the account. Just check it out. He started growing the account to this level. All right, so that is how. No, let's look at it again. From $1, you can see from $1 he started growing the account up to this level. That is, so you can look at the equity as well. That's the equity. All right, so the news feed is where he posts daily news on how he's doing. And then for the orders, look at the orders. He doesn't have any open orders at the moment, but the history order is actually what what gives you the knowledge of how good the guy is, how much profit is making. So if you're saying green, that's profit. I mean plus, that's profit. You can see how much is made today alone. See right there, 46, close to $47 today. Of course, that's because of his equity level. All right, so if you're trading with like $150, you're probably not going to make this amount. You're probably going to be making like $3, $1, $2, depending on it. All right, so that's how much. And he's still going to trade today. Today is still early. This is about 9:58. You can see the time right there. He's still going to trade more. Yesterday, this is how much he made. He's going to pop up right now. he made $125 there by yesterday alone. All right, so it means that if you invested like $100, you're gonna be making like over $6-7 yesterday from my calculation. All right, so how much did he make on the 20th? About $88, close to 100. So this is it. The guy is good. Just look at the history. He's got a lot of green, a lot of profit. So that's why I trade with him. With this guy, I never lost. So let's look at what I did with him so far. So these are actually, I don't have any copying strategy at the moment. You can see that my portfolio value is $120. All right, 0.61. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to start copying, and then you see how I copy. So I don't have any active. If you have an active copying trade, it will show here. Now the history is what you've done so far. You can see this is another guy copy trade. I did that yesterday. You can see it 22nd. In fact, today, because it was quite early in the morning and I did it, I got $0.23 with $100. Now on the 13th of December, I did $500 with that guy I was showing you, and I made $21 to $22. On the 7th of December, I made 21 with $500. On the 2nd, with $200, I made close to $4. Now on the 30th of November, I made $6. You can see the 595 with $200. Now this Samsung Beach guy is the number 2 most copied trader, and I tried him with $100 on the 29th of November. I got close to $6. All right, not bad. Now this forex trader guy, this forex trade guy on the 28th of November, I tried him $100. I made $13.81. That's close to $14. And if you calculate it, now this is just average. That's why I said you can make an average of 5,000 naira daily. All right, $21 alone is how much in a day? Let's look at it. $22. Let's calculate it with the rate Exness uses. $21 times 742. That's the rate Exness uses currently. So that's about $15,000, close to 16,000 you make in a day. All right, so this is how much you can actually, so this, you can make this in a day with $500. But with the other one I showed you, where is it again? Here you can see that if you look at all this average, you see that you can make close to $6. At least you can make $6, $5 in a day. On a bad day, you can make $3, $4. Okay, so with $100 you can make as much as 5,000 naira. I can assure you with social trading. All right, so that's actually it. I left this $120 here because I wanted to copy another trade. All right, with this, if I copy with $100, because this account I grew it to 120, I started with 100, so I've not withdrawn even the 20. So let's look at how you can copy trade. All right, so you come here, this guy is filled at the moment, so you can't copy him. That's what it's saying, but let's see. It's like you can copy him. Yeah, I think so. So this is it. You put in the amount and then you start copying. What's it saying? All right, I don't think you can copy him because, you know. All right, so I'm actually checking the possibility of copying this guy because all right. Okay. All right, I don't think so. Because that's the guy I want to copy, but let's look at the second account, which is Forex Trade 2. All right, and let's see if we can copy here. He already has 248 investors. Let's look at this. All right, so now I'm copying his second account with $100. So he hasn't taken any trade yet, and there's no history because I just started copying him. All right, you can set your stop loss and take profit. What it means is that it's actually been set for you here. Your take profit has been set to $110. So it means that if your money gets to $110, all right, you should stop copying. Now for stop loss, it means that if your money goes below $90, you should stop copying. All right, but I usually don't do that because I allow you, because when trading, your money goes down and up. Basically, that's how it works. It goes down, it goes up. So you need to allow it to reach the end of the day, and then you see how much profit you've made. If you made like $6, $5, you can then stop copying. You can see this copying here, stop copying, withdraw your amount, and then start copying again, all right, for the next day. That's how I do it to grow my account. So that's how it works with forex, with social trading. You'll be able to make 5,000. I can assure you, I've shown you my history right here. This is actually my account. So the wallet is about $20 now, because I'm trading with so these are all the withdrawals I've made. Let me look at it. Okay, I'm clicking to withdraw. Let's close it. I'm not withdrawing. Okay, so let's look at all the withdrawals. 2010. Okay, now some of them are the withdrawals I made from my equity. All right, so look at this withdrawal. I made $22 here. The guy took 9 point something, because I made about $30 in a day because of the commission, 30%. Then withdrawal of 21. Those ones I showed you. Then I withdrew. This one I deposited 500. I withdrew $4 here, $6. Withdrew $5. I withdrew $14. You know, so these are all the withdrawals. You can even see with the dates how much I've withdrawn from this account so far. So it is very legit. It's a strategy. It's a system that allows you to make money without having to stress yourself. All right, of course, you know, forex trading is risky. That's why they put the risk level there. So know that you can actually lose your money. But then if you're copying a trader that is a professional, that has a history of profit, like you check them back and see that they have been making, especially when you go to the others, you see that they're making. He's made about 482 trades so far. But just check it. Go down and check how many profit that this guy is making. You can see the losses he's made here, not much, but look at all the profit he's making. All of the profit. He's making more profit than he's making losses. He's making more profit than he's making losses. More profit than he's making losses. So when you look at that, you say, okay, no, this guy is good. I should start copying him. So I've started copying right now. You can see it. Let's check it again. You can see it. I've invested. You can see the invested 100 US dollars, and the available is 20.61 US dollars. So let's see how this pans out by the end of the day. All right, I probably have to do another video to show you what the result is like at the end of the day to join with this video. All right, so I'm not going to say bye for now. So let's just wait. At the end of the day, I'll do another video and I'll show you, because you can look at what the time is right now, 10 a.m. So let's look at 6 p.m., 7 p.m. thereabout. I'll do another video to show you the concluding part of this. All right, so keep just stay there, all right, and watch out for it. It's going to come. All right, guys, welcome back. As I mentioned, I'm going to show you the concluding part of this video. So as you can see, the time is 7:14 p.m. so we need to look at what the $100 investment has made for us, if at all it has made any profit. So let's go to social trading, okay, to see what it is. So let's click on the social trading app. As you can see right here, it is it has given us a profit of 3.62 US dollars. Okay, let me just go to it exactly. You can see that the profit is actually 5.17 US dollars, but the commission taken deducted is 1.55, so it leaves us with 3.62 US dollars. So this is what we're making today. As you can see, this is what we're making, right? You can see right there, 3.62 US dollars after investing $100. All right, so you can actually do the math. All right, let's go to 6.62, right? So let's look at 3.62. Sorry, that's close to $4, but let's still use the real value. That should give us 2,686 naira. All right, so you can see it's not really up to, you know, it means that the trades that this person has been taking probably has been slow, or the fact that this is December and trades are actually being rounded up. All right, so a lot of people are taking their stuff, so it's not really as frequent as normal. All right, so that's why I said on average you can make 5,000 naira daily, but this is just using 100 US dollars. If you're using 200 US dollars, you probably would have made times 2 of this amount. That would be close to 5,000 naira. And if you're using 500 US dollars to do this in the social trading app, you'll be making definitely more than that. So that's it, guys. It is very possible to make at least 5,000 naira daily on this. You can see that just within how many we're making such a profit. All right, so when you leave this for another 24 hours, you're definitely going to make more than this. And so I can tell you it is actually very profitable. You can see the last time I showed you this video, I had 120 US dollars. Right now it is 124. It means that I can just stop trading. You can stop trading by going to this and then clicking on you can stop trading by going to this and then clicking on stop copying. All right, when you click stop copying, then you come here, you go to you click your available, and then you withdraw. You can actually withdraw $4 because the money will now be credited. You will now be seeing 124. All right, so let's do it. Let's just look at it. It's just I don't want to stop copying. You can do this and then you stop copying. All right, but I don't want to stop copying. So once you stop copying, your whole money, that is the 103.62 US dollars, will just be deposited in the available balance where you have the 20.61. It will now be 124. Where you have the portfolio value, it will give 124. Of course, if you want to still trade 120, or you want to withdraw $4.23, you go ahead. $4.23 we should give you like 3,000 naira thereabout. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead, the link is in the description box. Click it and get started with social trading. Yes, it pays, because this forex trade guy, it's been proven over time. You can see it here. I've been copying this guy for a long time. You can see here I made $21. 13th of December I made we're trading with 500 USD. Anyway, with 500 US I made $21 just in a single day. In a single day I made that. Here in a single day I made $21, and here you can see I made close to what I made today trading on the 2nd of December. All right, you can see that. And then here on November 30th I made close to $6. All right, so it is very you just be cashing out on a daily. You'll be making on average of 5,000 naira, between 3,000 to 5,000 naira, I can guarantee you. And in most cases, when he takes more trades, you're going to make more than 5,000 naira. You can see it in my history. So these are all the withdrawals that I've made. These are all of the the history. You can see in my copying history, about 7 so far. This is the lowest. I just tried this guy for a couple of hours. A new guy, copy trade group, so it's not the same thing as this forex trade guy. So guys, the link is in the description. Go there, click the link to get on social trading. All right, it's quite profitable. All right, go there, do that right now. And thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Bye for now.